we're going to be diving back into the safari rack on this 1969 CJ5. And this week on Project Sullivan, Uncle Mark and Gogo are going to be installing a light bar, taking this safari rack to a whole new level. We're also going to add in a ceiling and do some other finishing touches, wrapping up some of the final details to make this CJ5 trail ready. All that and more in this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
Gogo's back again.
So, we installed the light. That footage may or may not be deleted. We don't know. We're still waiting for it to process. So that might be the lost episode. But we gotta connect the wiring here. Looks like it's not even connected right there. Comes out through here. He's got it hooked up most of the way. We just gotta figure out how the toggle switch works on it. I think I wired it right earlier. Oh, I didn't bring any flashlights. That's what it is. Okay, I think I have one of these toggle switches set up for the radio already.
The way it worked before is that...
This was the original toggle switch?
Yeah. So it only had 3 wires.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I'm saying, the way this is set up, we only use one side as a channel. The other side is the second channel.
Well, I think I need to set up a ground on this bad boy real quick.
I don't think you need to. It didn't have a ground before.
It should need a ground.
It may not need one. It may just backfeed into the system.
It already has a
That
ground.
wire goes into there
It already has a ground.
and comes out here. That's not it. Oh, it comes to this relay here.
Well, first thing, we got to put a 30 amp fuse in there.
Yeah, I think that's what held us back last time. It's not going to have any light illuminating because we don't have any power going to it. We may rob it off this other one. That's future me's problem. I have the key in the on position. Hold on.
Yep.
It turns on?
Yep.
So we had it connected right there.
Yeah, I already connected it right. It just needed a fuse. I have to be going to pick up Leslie at 2:30, but I might have to do... I have to drop off baby. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to help, but we're off. I got to go to work.
You guys should subscribe so he no longer has to go to work.
Right? Or at least we get better projects and I still go to work, but we just do cooler projects.
That'd be better. We have a lot of cool projects in mind.
And let me know if it turns off.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Nothing?
Flip
Okay,
the
bring
switch.
camera on.
Yeah, it's still on. Full blast.
You don't want to leave that light on because it's not set up to key, dude. It's set up to just 12 volt. We'll have to change it to set it to key.
Right.
If you want to set it to key, we probably can later on.
Right.
What we'll do is we'll just piggyback it.
Okay. But I wanted to put this other one in there too.
I would set it up and put a dome light on the other side. So you have a dome light on one side and then the headlights on the other, the light bar. Because you'll never need the dome light on and the light bar at the same time.
Well, I was thinking about backup lights. LED backup lights.
Well, you don't have backup? You're not going to put backup? They don't have them for the switch or what?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't even give you an option for backup lights because those are trailer lights, dude.
Yeah.
Did you put those on there or did they come that way?
They were on there already.
I believe it.
Well, do you want to stay and help me?
Help you what? I gotta go do that yard, don't I?
He does need to do the weeds in our yard pretty fiercely before we go on
Do
the...
it this evening. It'll be done in
Junkyard.
about an hour or two.
You could wait till it gets a little darker so it's not so hot in the yard.
Alright.
You can record it for an episode.
Alright, hopefully I didn't mess anything up. But my dad has permanently retired, so I'm taking everything over now. No, I'm kidding. Today we are putting a light bar right here. We'll see how this goes.
Let's see if it's going to even fit in there.
No. We gotta take all 3 out.
Put it here.
That'll work.
So we could just take out that one middle one anyways and just leave these 2.
That'll work.
We're using the Hart HPA G01 wireless grinder. Affiliate link below.
There we go. Gotta acquire your safety squints before you do any of this. Alright, that should work. That's why you wear safety glasses. Check it out. Removed. Go approved. Now let me take you guys through the plan. Okay, so we take this light bar right here, put it right here. That's what the plan is.
How'd it come out?
There's no longer a bar there.
How do you like that welding?
It's pretty good, dude.
that, or?
I'll move the grinder.
It'll be easier to do like that.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna burn these in. There you go, Marco.
There's some safety glasses on the table.
Okay. I didn't get as close of a cut as I did on that one.
Okay, yeah. Just grind it flat and then we'll weld it on both sides. And
Alright. I have collected your normal everyday grinder tool. There we go.
you know what abracadabra means? As I wish, make it so.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not
It's in
know that.
different languages.
We're gonna make a safari rag for the Jeep, and we're making the roof. We got this material here. We're recycling it from an old gas station, and we made these little slots in here, so it'll just go right in. Hopefully, guess we'll see how our fitment is real quick.
Well, let's see how it slides in. It's kind of tricky to put in.
Off camera, Mark has been building these panels. This one just needs some fine tuning and it's ready to show you what the plan is.
I think that's it. You?
Yeah.
Now to get it back out.
Three hours later.
Don't pay attention to the one on my head. That's not important. What is important is this son of a gun got to fit 3 hours later. I can't get it in the hole.
We'll wallow it out a little bit.
Just bed frame moving. There it is.
Make sure that we don't drop those because somebody will get a flat tire. Okay, we'll skip the corner because I'm not sure what I'm going to do there.
Alright.
Might
Just
not
get
do
right
nothing.
here, right here, and right here.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Just do that. And then I'll just grind that to match.
It's in there. Just not all the way.
That's what she said.
Oh, that's what she said when you were all the way.
No, it'd be much different than that.
You're right. She would have been asking, "Are you in yet?"
Backhand you in a minute. That don't look bad.
No, not at all. Oh.
What happened? Those drill bits are designed short so you can...
Yeah.
You've seen these ones before, haven't you?
Yeah.
They're double-ended?
Yeah. Oh God. That one went down a little further than I wanted it to.
Oh no, it's made
Yeah.
custom. Yeah, because look at that. That looks good, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if I should have done this, actually.
Why? What's wrong?
Because when we put the skins on the outside, it's gonna be on that here. We probably should have just cut these off. Now that I think about it,
No, because we could just pop. No, pop rivets aren't long enough.
we could put them on the top.
Yeah, we could just put them on the top.
Damn it! I didn't think of that till now.
Well, when we put the ones on the side, we could fold that side over and put them on the top right there
What do you mean?
to hide all these ones. And then it'll just have the ones at the top that nobody will see. You get what I'm trying to say?
No, because I was gonna put those nutserts in.
Oh,
So let's just stop drilling and put them in here.
alright.
We gotta go back. It is what it is. I don't know if you can drill even there.
Alright, so if you guys can't tell, some things have changed. We decided to go with riveting it in the top so we could put the side panels on. Kind of act like a wall or something. This is such a weird angle. We're not gonna get a very straight drill in here.
No?
No.
Can you do it from the other side maybe? Go all the way through everything.
Huh. This is gonna suck. Can we flip this thing over?
We probably could. But then we can't put pot rivets in, it's harder. But that might be easier from the back.
We need to get something to go through the top now. Or hold it down.
Hold what down?
That corner, because it's raised a little bit and the drill bit can't reach it. Yeah.
You might make your drill bit a little bit longer. You broke that bit. You're not supposed to break those.
I was trying not to. You told me to make it longer though. I only went out by like 1/8 of an inch.
Well, I'm gonna have to get a pair of pliers.
Yeah. You knew I broke it before I even knew I broke it.
I heard it.
Well, maybe if I just hit it. We still have one more end.
Oh, that's good. Save it, and we'll still use it. Were you able to get through?
Yep. Tears don't fall.
You went through, but you only picked the corner. Look, that's not gonna work.
I went right in the middle of it.
You went at an angle. More silicone.
Hopefully. There it is.
Gonna go through?
Almost.
Where's it at?
Right there in the corner.
You're supposed an inch away always.
Oh, well, we're in the corner.
There. 1 out of 3 ain't bad. Be careful with this or it'll push your stool in. Use this clamp. The one thing about filming is you can't listen to music.
Excuse me. Bit. Son of a gun. We'll be right back after these short messages from our sponsor of today's video.
That comes in. I was hoping to get the other side in today, but that didn't happen.
I'm sorry.
Redo and redo and redo.
Yeah, that's my fault.
No,
We should have thought about it more before we just sent it.
but we sent it.
We sent her.
But set me up in the middle of the beam. Here and there.
Right there.
Okay, got that side? Am I still
Right
okay
there.
here?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and work that.
He did not speak.
Just put a line where the other line intersects. Gonna line me up on this one. Just start drilling holes at those intersections, and I'll come behind you and put the copper bits in.
Being that we're using repurposed materials, we have to bend some of it back into usable
I got
shape.
it off.
Okay. We could probably cut it off.
That wasn't sketchy.
No, not really. Am I correct?
Yeah, that looks about right.
Because we gotta go that far over and then in.
Yeah.
Give me a second, let me get the rest of them.
Hang on. Okay.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe. Remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.